Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Elegant Ornament Die and Elegant Ornament Stamp Set. Now, I am super excited to be sharing these two products with you. I absolutely love them. I'm starting with the Elegant Ornament Die. This measures approximately 5 3/4 inches long by 1 3/4 inches wide at the widest point. I have die cut it out of a piece of white cardstock, and I used a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock. And I'm going to lay this on a piece of colored paper so you can get a feel for how it looks. The details that you get with this die is just gorgeous. Now, if you use a piece of cardstock like I did, a 4 by 5 1/4, and you center that die up and cut it out, you're going to be able to use this on gatefold cards. You can ink blend these, run them through your die cut machine and embossing folders to add fun details. Use with pattern paper, which I have 3 different cards at the end of the video that I did with pattern paper. You can also cut that ornament loose from there and use it with the stamp sets, or leave it as is and still stamp it. You're going to get a lot of use out of these products together, but also a lot of use out of them on their own. So I'm stamping out the stamps from the 4 by 6 stamp set. Now the ornaments measure approximately 1.5 inches wide by almost 2 inches high. You're going to get 2 ornament hooks. One says Merry, one says Christmas. Also strands of beads. And then this one I'm stamping out here makes me think more along the lines of like a garland that you would swag back and forth across your tree, or in this case, your cardstock. So you have lots of options with this as well. Now you get one large Merry Christmas sentiment there in the center of that stamp set as well. Don't look at this just like a Christmas set. You can see here I did a Happy New Year card that I think turned out gorgeous. And I used the new gilded Christmas pattern paper from Whimsy. I'll have that linked below for you to check out. Now, if you want to see more inspiration featuring the Elegant Ornament Die and Elegant Ornament Stamp Set, you can head over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. Be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We always love seeing what you all create. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.